And the first thing we're going to do is choose a theme for our Shopify website. So let's click on Online Store, and that will automatically take us to the themes. And here we can see that the theme that is currently installed is the Dawn theme. Now for our Shopify store, we're going to use a different theme. So let's scroll down and then click on Visit Theme Store. And here we can find tons of different themes we can use for our Shopify store. Now I'm going to just stick to the free ones here. So let's just filter by the free themes. And the one that we're going to use is one of their newest and best themes they have, which is called the Trade theme. And it's all the way here at the bottom. So let's just click on this theme and then let's click on Try Theme. So now this theme has been added and we can see it right here in the theme library. And to activate this new theme, we want to click on Publish right here and confirm. And now up here, we can see that our current theme is the Trade theme.